Hi there, welcome to my kitchen. You ever get that feeling like you just got it? Like you understand and you get it? Well, that's what we got this week. We also got a healthy and delicious Costco haul ready to prep. So sit back, relax, or get in the kitchen and prep with me. I'm Megan Renee, and welcome to my kitchen. Well, here we are again. Week 2 is in the books. We're doing pretty good. We're learning lots of things and just getting it done. So join us. We got a huge Costco haul today and a couple new tricks up our sleeve that we've learned off of YouTube and various streaming services. So I hope you enjoy. So this will be the second time that you've seen me grab a glass container to hold the overflow of vegetables in these new Costco containers. That is one of the, I guess, downsides of these containers. They work great. I've learned how to close them, and they're good. They're really good, but they're not that deep. And so they don't hold a lot. And then the way that the seal is on the inside, you can't really fill it to the top or else it won't properly close. And so that's, I guess, the one thing that I would say against them. Not that it's a bad thing. We do have a family of 5, so I have a lot of fruits and vegetables. But it would be nice if I can fit a little bit more of the same item in one container. If they were a little bit deeper. But other than that, they actually work really well. So I mentioned one thing that I don't like about them, but one thing or a couple things that I do like about them is I really enjoy snacking on bell pepper sticks. And so you see me cutting those here, and they stack up really well in these containers. bell pepper sticks and cucumber sticks. I also like adding in hard-boiled eggs to these. They fit perfectly in them and they don't crush the shell. I like to make a couple of days worth of hard-boiled eggs as a quick snack. Most of my family members enjoy hard-boiled eggs as a snack, and so yeah, they fit perfectly in there. So one way that I like to prep my onions, and I just started doing it this week, is slicing them in thick pieces like this. And the reason why is because my husband will take a few thick chunks and kind of marinate them in an olive oil, salt, pepper combo and to grill them out on the fire when he's grilling hamburgers for our lunches. And it turns out really good. And so I've started prepping my onions that way and then dicing some for when I'm actually cooking with them. I love fried zucchini. That was one of my favorite things to do is go to this hamburger joint that's in our town and get, a good juicy bacon cheeseburger with some fried zucchini. But that's not on the menu these days. And so what I did this week is I took my zucchini halves. I kind of marinated them in an avocado salt pepper drizzle for a little bit, and then right before I cooked them, I sprinkled them with a combo of almond flour and tapioca flour, and it wasn't a heavy coat, it was more, like I said, like a drizzle. But then I put them in my air fryer on the root setting, and when they came out, they tasted similar to a fried zucchini. And it's not that I'm not going to say that it tastes exactly the same, because it did not, but it was close enough where I felt like if I had that craving again, it would be satisfied by that. And so that's a little tip and something that I will definitely be doing again. So I had posted a video about a homemade Whole30 ranch dressing, and it was really good. I've modified it a couple times since I first made it because I do love a good ranch dressing dip. And so I go through it quickly. So every time I make it, I kind of modify it a little bit just based on kind of what I'm feeling. Sometimes I'll not add jalapenos or add not so much lemon. Or I think the last time I made it with a little bit more dill, and oh, chef's kiss. It's delicious. But I really enjoyed snacks this week because I was able to, prep all these vegetable sticks and dip them in my ranch, my homemade Whole30 ranch, and they turned out really good. Oh, look at that, strawberries. Oh, they're so delicious. Just the perfect time for them to be in season. That's a beautiful shot. So back to what I was saying about the ranch dressing and the vegetable sticks. That's when those clear containers really turned out really well, because I was able to stack quite a bit of vegetable sticks in those containers. And anytime that I felt like snacking, I would just go in there, and it was just easy to find because I could see everything. And then, of course, I would dip it in my ranch, and it worked out perfectly. I never realized how sticky cantaloupe gets. Oh my word. It was so sticky and messy doing this. I don't think I'm ever going to prep cantaloupe ahead again. And I did way too much. I bought like a whole bag at Costco. I think 3 melons came in them. Unfortunately, one of them ended up going bad because I just prepped all of them in one go. And yeah, I won't be doing that again. So if you have any good suggestions on how to properly store or prep cantaloupe or honeydew, please let me know, because I love eating it, but it's a pain to prep like this. And yeah, like I said, it just kind of went bad. It got really slushy and almost kind of rancid actually after about a week. So again, I think I just did too much. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know. So as it starts to get into summertime, I am looking for new fruits to try, outside of the traditional strawberries and bananas and blueberries. Those are kind of our three staples in our household, which led me to buy these humongous bag of melons and honeydews. But if you have any other suggestions, please let me know. What is your favorite summertime fruit? And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for joining.